Bad Dreams, Cannons. Alright, that's the verse and the chorus. Most of that song is the chorus, though. This couple, it starts out, this is at the first fret, B flat minor 7. Bought a ticket to your show. And go to a C, 2 frets up, same shape, C minor 7. I was in the last row. I kind of got like a jazz guitar sound with some phaser on there. I don't know if that's what they're using, but... Alright, if you wanted to play, you could use B flat minor 7 at the 6th fret. Yeah, and then C minor 7 at the 8th fret. You could even bar the top 4 strings. If you wanted to, your option. Then the chorus is F minor 7. This is G sharp or A flat. I call it A flat major. And then we have a C sharp major 7. And then we end up on the B flat minor 7. Now you could play it just like on the top strings. You could bar the first 4. If you wanted to, you do. When you're playing in a group, a lot of times you don't want that full sound. You want to blend in better. So that's why a lot of people will use those fragments when playing in a group setting. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate the suggestion. It's a good request. All right, bye-bye.